Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files and folders on Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to search for the Microsoft Store. Once it opens up for you, you're going to search for Windows File Recovery. As you can see, this app has been developed by Microsoft themselves, so it's official. Get it, download it, and then once it's done, simply open it. Now, once the application is open, it's going to look a bit intimidating, but don't you worry, it's going to be very simple. Simply, you're going to start with WinFR, then space. Then you're going to type in the drive that I got lost in, so for example, drive C, and then 2 dots. Then space, and then send it to another drive that you would like to recover it inside of that. So you're going to type in either D or E if it's going to be your USB flash drive. And then going to click on double dash. Then from there, another time, slash and star sign, and then whatever type of file that you have lost. So for example, if you lost an important PDF file, you're going to type in PDF and then enter. And that's pretty much it. If you need more information, I'll leave a link down in the description for the Windows official page to tell you exactly how to do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.